Hello, in this video, you will see how you can shorten the URL in SMS to keep your SMS length short and avoid extra charges. If you want to enable this in all your SMS, go to the Short URL section from the MSG91 panel and enable the toggle from the settings in the sidebar. Don't worry, as the links will open to the actual URL you have provided. You can also enable this for a particular SMS template. Go to the SMS section and you will find the URL shorten option on the right when entering the message content. Enable it by selecting the checkbox. If you are using a Google Sheet for contacts, you can also short URL from there from the MSG91 extension. Open the sheet and go to the Extensions ribbon. Click on MSG91 and select the transactional option. Enable the short URL toggle from the SMS sheet modal open. If the extension is not installed, you can install it from the add-ons option by searching by the name MSG91. If you are sending SMS via API, just pass short URL equals 1 as an additional parameter in your API call. It supports all the API versions we provide. Now, to see a quick overview, go to the Log section in the Short URL panel. It will show you the URL and their short ID with their associated campaign name, date, recipient, and the number of clicks on it. Clicking on the number of clicks will give you additional information about the receiver like IP, date, country, browser, and OS. The URL section will show you the links, created date, expiry, if any, and their short ID. You can edit their expiry time by the Edit button. You can also create one with the Create New button at the top right. Add the long URL and its expiry time, and save. Once created, it can be used in the message content. We hope you find this feature useful.